And welcome back. Now let's tell you about India's big naval strength. INS Mahe, the first ship of the indigenous anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft, has been commissioned today. Now it is more than just a vessel. It's a powerful symbol of India's growing shipbuilding capabilities. The warship was commissioned earlier today at the naval dockyard in Mumbai. And speaking at the event, the Army Chief expressed immense pride. Watch this.
It's indeed a moment of immense pride and profound sense of honor to be present at the commissioning ceremony of INS Mahe, first of the 8 anti-submarine warfare shallow water crafts being built by Cochin Shipyard Limited for the Indian Navy. Today's ceremony not only marks the induction of a potent new platform to our maritime order of battle, but also reaffirms our nation's increasing capability to design, construct, and field complex combatants with indigenous technology. The ship embodies the spirit of innovation and service. The commissioning will significantly augment the Indian Navy's ability to ensure near-seas dominance, strengthen the coastal security grid, and safeguard our maritime interests across the vast expanse of our littorals.
And Times Now was aboard INS Mahe and spoke to the vessel's commanding and executive officer. Watch this.
INS Mahe is built by Kochi Shipyard Limited. After its commissioning today, this joins the Indian Navy, marking a history in the entire Navy field. And we are currently present on the forecastle of this vessel, where the torpedoes, the guns can be seen, the rocket launchers are also visible. To understand more how these equipments work, we are joined by Commanding Officer of the vessel, AC Chaube. Sir, please tell us more about how the equipments work on this vessel, how the guns, the surface guns and the rocket launchers work, and when are they used?
Okay, so I will bring out the weapons fitment which is there on board my ship. This is a naval surface gun which is used against the surface targets. We have got indigenized rocket launcher which is used against the submarines. We have got torpedoes which is used against the submarine, decoys for deceiving the torpedoes which is fired against us. Then we have got stabilized remote control gun which is also used against the surface targets.
If we talk about the capacity of the staff present on the vessel at a time, how many people can accommodate here and how many officers work once?
So we are manned by about 5 officers and more than 70 sailors. So if you see the capability of weapon and sensors, I can confidently say that the ship is agile, it is precise, and it is made of for stealth. So whatever is there around the sea coast, if all the 8 ships are there, we'll protect the nation very nicely, and no submarine can cross the barrier line or the line which we are been operating. They will not be able to cross that line.
INS माहे भारतीय नौसेना की वो हथियार बनने वाली है जो दुश्मन के सबमरीन को न सिर्फ गहरे पानी में बल्कि छिछले पानी या हम कहें भारतीय कोस्ट जो करीबन 11,000 किलोमीटर लंबी है उसे सुरक्षा देने के लिए समंदर की गहराइयों से लेकर छिछले पानी तक के कोस्टल एरिया में ताकत कई गुना बढ़ाती है और यही इसकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत है। हम इस समय अपर डेक जो INS माही का है वहां पर मौजूद है और हमारे साथ कमांडिंग ऑफिसर प्रणेश श्रीवास्तव जी हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। सर, भारतीय नौसेना अब दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी नौसेना और कई सारी खूबियों के साथ लैस है, लेकिन INS माही जब आती है और बात दुश्मनों के सबमरीन की होती है तो ये दुनिया के बाकी वॉरशिप से कितनी अलग बनाती है?
एंटी सबमरीन वॉरफेयर की अगर हम बात करें तो ये जहाज पहला जहाज है जो कि कोचिन शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड द्वारा बनाया गया है SWC कैटेगरी में। इस जहाज का नाम है INS माहे। ये जहाज शैलो वाटर रीजन में के रोल से बनाया गया है। इस जहाज में एडवांस टेक्निक यूज करी गई है जो स्टेल्थ फीचर्स ना केवल पानी के ऊपर और पानी के नीचे भी देती हैं। ये फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इंडियन नेवी में ये सोनार लगाया गया है। इस सोनार का नाम है अभय। ये सोनार NPOL ने एंड बेल ने मिलकर बनाया है जो कि 100% मेक इन इंडिया है। ये मल्टी फ्रीक्वेंसी में ऑपरेट करता है और स्पेशली डिजाइंड है कि ये शैलो वाटर रीजन में सबमरीन्स को ट्रैक करने का।
कैपेसिटी क्या होगी सर?
एक सोनार है इसमें, एंड इसके सिवा इसको एडवांस बनाने के लिए इसमें एक LFVDS है, लो फ्रीक्वेंसी वेरिएबल डेप्थ सोनार, जो कि आफ्ट सेक्शन में दिया गया है, और जिससे कि हम सबमरीन को एक गहरी वाटर में भी ट्रैक कर सकते हैं।
It is also being dubbed as a silent hunter. It is compact, capable and built to defend our western borders. And with that, a short break.